Hey YouTube, Incendar Coding here today. I'm a web and app developer making quick videos to help just starting out web and app developers. Today, quick video using the built-in Chrome tool Lighthouse that can aid you in your web development projects. Lighthouse is a powerful web auditing tool that helps you optimize your site performance, learn best web practices, make your products more accessible on more devices, and of course, optimize for SEO. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm using Chrome here and just some random web page off the internet. I want to go up here, more tools, developer tools. I'll pop up with elements. Today I want to switch over here to audits, and you'll notice the Lighthouse pops up. This is an open source program built into Chrome that does a lot of things to really help you make your web projects shine. For this, I'm going to do, let's say, desktop, and obviously you can throttle this to see what it looks like on, let's say, mobile devices. Today I'll be doing this one. Now, when you do this, it'll take a little time, but I'm just, for the sake of saving some time today, making this video as quick as possible. Boom, the results come up. All right, performance, 100% great. And you can see each one of these little things will tell you the different things that I'm doing correctly or incorrectly to make the page perform better. And then we can look at this accessibility score. Okay, I have obviously a desktop or a mobile version. I use the desktop version. I'm thinking that's probably why the accessibility is so low. You can run this again under mobile and find out what the problem is there. Obviously, you want to have different versions. I will be putting more videos out on how to actually code for that too, in different ways for mobile devices, especially if that's your majority content. And you can see this is really, really detailed. You know, look what I'm skipping: region, all right, background. But anyway, all these different things are good to learn early if you're just starting out developing. That way, you know, all your future projects are just going to be that much better. You know, the big thing here, all right, best practices. Obviously, I've got some room for improvement myself. SEO, one of the most important, search engine optimization. This tool is just so great for that. And anyway, I mean, all this is built into Chrome already. So, you know, a lot of developers, they're like, what tools do you use? Do you use websites? It's like, no, it's all built into Chrome, ready to go for you. So this is all under audits. You know, try it out. I think you'll enjoy it. I hope this video is quick and to the point and can get you new developers out there on the right track developing great web apps and pages. I make a lot of different content on a lot of different platforms, and the only way I really know which to make and what direction to go is by views, likes, and subscribes. So make sure to subscribe and like if this is the content and you want something similar to this. I want to do more in-depth and involved videos on this channel to come, so I'm just starting out with some easy ones. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.